guys. I thought I would just show you one quick way to access the personality articles. I have a bunch of students that completed it just fine, but then I have a couple students that email me saying they can't access them. So that probably means that you don't have Adobe Acrobat on your computer, or you haven't updated your computer in a while. So I'm not going to make you do that. If you haven't done that, you're probably having other issues accessing any kind of PDF though. So most of you have been going into this folder. So you've been going to reserved articles, you've been clicking on that, and then you've been going into personality articles, and then you click on any two of these to write your paper. Some of you can't do that for some reason, so I'm going in and I've literally uploaded them all myself so you don't have to click in here. So this has got to work because you can open up a file even if you can't use Adobe. You should be able to open up a PDF, okay? So if you can't open a PDF on your computer, that means you're struggling with other courses too, because every single professor uses a PDF for some kind of assignment. So please try again. Come into Blackboard, go under reserved articles, and then I have literally uploaded them individually for you. Pick two of these, and you got to be able to, it's just going to do a drop down here, and then it's going to open it up. Okay, so some kind of program should open up a PDF on your computer. Please let me know if you still can't open a PDF, because then we're going to have to do something. All right, guys, so let me know if that works. Okay, thanks. Bye.